Hi gorgeous, here is a beautiful hairstyle for you. So take a small section of your hair from front side and secure it with a rubber band. Now take its small section and tie it with another lock with the help of a rubber band. Now keep on taking the locks of your hair and take a small section from the previous ponytail and keep on tying it with the next lock. So keep on repeating the process. Repeat it to the other side also, like this. It is so easy and looks so stylish. So keep on making short ponytails, and at the end take small section from both of the sides and again secure it with the help of a rubber band. Now make it a little loose and your beautiful hairstyle is ready. Thanks for watching.